The ICEPURE WFS5300A-20 under-sink water filter offers a remarkable filtration capacity, providing up to 40,000 gallons of clean water, ensuring long-lasting use. Certified by major authorities like NSF ANSI, this filter effectively removes chlorine, heavy metals, and odors, enhancing the taste and safety of your drinking water. Installation is a breeze with its straightforward plug-and-play design, allowing users to set it up in less than 3 minutes without the need for professional help. Constructed from premium materials such as BPA-free, food-grade coconut shell carbon, the filter ensures superior water purification with its advanced technology. Designed for convenience, it connects directly to existing faucets without requiring any countertop modifications and fits seamlessly into various settings such as kitchens, bathrooms, and offices. With a high flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute at 60 pounds per square inch, it meets the daily water needs efficiently, making it ideal for a wide range of uses.